Starting small is an excellent way to develop a habit of investing. It's easy to think that you need a lot of money to start investing, but that's not the case. By investing small amounts regularly, you can make progress towards your financial goals without breaking the bank. In fact, some investment platforms allow you to start with as little as £25 per month, and there's other platforms where you can deposit absolutely anything that you decide to at any point in time with no minimums. So there's no excuse for not getting started, and you can start from virtually nothing. One of the advantages of starting small is it allows you to get into the habit of investing regularly. This habit is crucial to long-term success in investing. By investing regularly, you'll be more likely to stay on track and make progress towards your financial goals. Another advantage of investing small amounts regularly is that it can help you avoid the mistake of waiting to invest until you've got a large sum of money. Many people do this, and they delay investing because they think they need a significant amount of money to get started. This delay can be costly because it means that you're missing out on potential returns over time. Finally, investing small amounts regularly can help you avoid the temptation to time the market. Trying to time the market is a risky strategy, and that can lead to significant losses. By investing small amounts regularly, you're less likely to be affected by short-term market fluctuations.